Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the KuCoin Futures Trial Fund. First, understand that this fund is a special bonus from KuCoin, designed to let you explore futures trading without risking your own money. It's a fantastic way to get started and learn the ropes. You can gain valuable experience and even make profits. Just remember, these funds usually have an expiration, so it's best to use them within a few days of receiving them. To begin, log into your KuCoin account and head over to the Futures section. Look for the Trial Fund or Bonus area, usually found within your Futures account overview. You'll need to click a button to activate or transfer the fund. This action moves the Trial Fund from your Rewards Center directly into your Futures trading account, making it available for use. Always double-check that the transfer is complete before you start trading. Now for the exciting part, placing a trade. Pick a futures contract you're interested in, like Bitcoin versus USD or Ethereum versus USD. Next, decide on your leverage. Many trial funds allow up to 20 times or even 50 times leverage. Input the specific amount of your trial fund you want to use for this trade. Finally, open either a long or short position, depending on your market prediction. Remember to manage your risk carefully. It's important to understand how profits work. Any profits you make using the trial fund are generally real and can be withdrawn. However, KuCoin often has specific conditions, such as a minimum trading volume, that you must meet before you can withdraw these profits. The original trial fund amount itself is usually a bonus and cannot be withdrawn directly. Always take a moment to read the specific terms and conditions associated with your particular trial fund offer to avoid any surprises.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.